Welcome. In this video I'm going to be doing an unboxing of an Amcrest 5 megapixel Ultra HD POE outdoor bullet camera, and this is model number IP5M-1173EW. I'll put a link in the description of this, and it's my Amazon affiliate link, and if you use that link it helps me out a bit and doesn't cost you anything extra. So a couple features of this: it's 5 megapixel, superior resolution as it says, super wide view 104 degrees, night vision, motion detection, mobile viewing, multiple storage options, weatherproof housing, and quick and easy setup. So we have a CD. I don't think I've ever used one of these CDs. I usually just download software. We have a quick start guide. Security notice reminding you to upgrade your firmware. A month free of the subscription service. I use the Synology NAS for mine, so I'll put a link in the description of my playlist on my Amcrest cameras I've used. And here's the warranty. Here's a drilling template. And this is the camera. Let's see if there's anything else in the box. We've got screws. It looks like the rest of this is just foam. Yep. So we have some anchors and some screws here. This is the weather resistant thing. You slip this over your Ethernet before you put the jack on the end. And here's the camera. So it has some protective film here. This is adjustable, so you can slide this rain hood forward. And then you can adjust it here, and you can also pivot it. You loosen these screws up to change the orientation. It's got a little foam here. And then this is the cord. So if you mount this up, you can stick this cord up in the hole. I usually do a 7/8 inch hole. This is about 3/4 inch, but I like to do 7/8 just so I have a little extra room. And then I'll probably fill this with caulk or something so wasps don't build a nest in there. So there's a couple different things on here. So I'll be doing some more videos on this. I just wanted to do an unboxing of this so you could understand what was in the box. So if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. If you like this video, please click like. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I would appreciate if you do that. And thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye.